So guys, in today's video, we will learn how to switch between multiple accounts on Snapchat, meaning how to log in or use more than one account on Snapchat. First, open your Snapchat application and then tap on your Bitmoji. After that, tap on the setting option on the right side. Here, scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on the last option, log out, and simply tap on the logout option. After that, if you want to create a new Snapchat account, then tap on the sign up option. If you want to log in into another Snapchat account, then tap on the switch account option. If you want to log in to the same account, tap on the login option. If you have any questions or doubts, do ask me in the comments, and please subscribe to our channel and like and share this video.